Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are doing very well in studies and you have done. So first of all, congratulations to all of you from my side as you people have promoted to the next level, and that is very much interesting from your previous level. So first of all, welcome to level 6. Now I'm here for the introductory lesson of level 6 science. So you people know that science is actually very interesting subject, and it is actually the poetry of reality. And I hope you people are understanding your nature more after studying science, and the things that are happening around you, you are getting the reasons behind them. You know that why I always like science, because science are having the different interesting questions, and the best thing is that we will get the different answers that always wonder us. So keep questioning in science. There today I'm here to tell you that which is the book that you are going to have in level 6. So let me show you first, that what is science? Science is the systematic study of nature, which is based on observation and experimentation. It affects us and our environment. I know that you have studied a definition of science before, but it is the more, you can say, the descriptive definition of science for your level 6. It is the systematic study of nature, means there are some systems that are through which we will study science, and in that we will do observation and experimentation, and on the basis of that we will get the result that are affecting us, means humans, and our environment in which we are living, means earth. Further, it is divided into different branches. That is, physics means the study of energy and natural forces. Natural forces means the force of gravity, magnetism, attraction, and electric force. These are the natural forces. Next, now we are having the next one, that is chemistry, in which we will study the matter. And you know that matter is actually something that has some space and that occupies space and has some mass. So it is the study of non-living matter. Next is geology, the study of the structure of earth. Geo means earth, so it is the study of structure of earth. Astronomy means something that is related to star, moons, planets and objects. That's why it is the study of star, planets, moons and other objects or phenomena in outer space. Biology, again taken from same words, bio and logi. Bio means life and logi means to study. So here we will study life, the study of living things. Now you people have cleared that what is science and what are the branches of science that we are going to have in our next level. Next, come towards the book that we are having in our next level, that is International Lower Secondary Science Book 1, from the author Miss Hu Pek Lang, and the publishers are Marshall Cavendish. This is the front page, the cover page of your book, and it's very interesting. Next, what are the chapters we are going to have? There, your book is divided into two spells, first spell and second spell. In first spell we will read half chapters, and in next spell we will read next half chapter. So in very first spell, coming spell, that the chapters that you are going to have is chapter number 1, Introduction to Science, chapter number 3, Plants Growth, chapter number 4, Habitats and Food Chains, and chapter number 6, More About Dissolving. Now the question is that why we are having these random chapters, not the first 4 chapters for our first spell. There I have told you that there are some branches of science. So just to cover up these branches in your first spell, we have taken this chapter randomly to have focus on that branches of science. Cleared? Now you know that there is an activity book of every subject that you are studying. So why not for science? So for science we are having the book that is from the same publisher, Marshall Cavendish, by Miss Hu Pek Lang, International Lower Secondary Workbook, Science Workbook 1, that we are going to have in level 6, and in which we will have the experimental activities of science, and we will do that inshallah. Same chapters we are having from workbook as well. Chapter number 1, Introduction to Science, chapter number 3, Plants Growth, chapter number 4, Habitats and Food Chains, and chapter number 6, More About Dissolving. And believe you me that these chapters are very interesting and will make your first spell with lot of new questions and wonders. Next is, that's all from my side. Good luck and goodbye to you. Inshallah, we will meet again in our next chapter. next session. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.